Meaning of discard.
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 Discard. Discard means to get rid of or throw away something that is no longer wanted or needed. When something is discarded, it is no longer considered useful or valuable and is usually disposed of in a proper manner. This can include throwing it in the trash, recycling it, or donating it to someone who may find it useful. The act of discarding something can help clear up space and reduce clutter, but it's important to consider the environmental impact and try to minimize waste as much as possible.